Okay, so they want to know how many different ways can I have 7 singers compete? So there's 7 singers, and then there's 6, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I literally just multiply those numbers together, and I get 50, 40 ways. Okay. Number 2, they want to know how many different ways can you put an outfit together. There's shirts, there's scarves and skirts, so 8 times 5 times 6. 5 times 6 is 30, times 8 is 240. I'll say options just to keep it interesting. Or outfits, I could have said. All right, next one, 3 factorial over 3 factorial. Well, that cancels. So it's just 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is 720. 10 factorial over 6 factorial is the same as 10 times 9 times 8 times 7, which is 50, 40. Okay. The one that's a little bit more difficult is this. I can't cancel these because they are different things. So I'm literally asking you to find 9 factorial, which is a really big number. So I'm going to show my work. And then I'm going to figure out 6 factorial. And I'll do this in my calculator. And then 9 minus 6 is really 3 factorial, which is 3 times 2, which is 6. Pick up my little calculator, and I'll get my answer. Okay? All right, number 4, golfing, 2 activities. The order doesn't matter. Combinations. 8 minus 2 is the same as 6, so it's 8 times 7 over 2. So I have 28 ways. Okay? How many ways can you listen to 4 songs? Well, I kind of feel like this one's left up to interpretation. I kind of feel like because it says listen, the first song versus the second song, if you listen to it in a different order, it could change things. So I would say that's permutations. But it'll be really clear on your test what it is. 13 factorial over 13 minus 4 factorial. 13 minus 4 is 9. So 13, 12, 11, 10. And when you multiply that out, you get 715. Okay. Next problem. Let's see. 5 students. There are 24 people. This seems like a workout. 24 for P5 because it's a track team, and so how you put the people in order matters. So 24 factorial over 24 minus 5 factorial, dot, dot, dot. You end up getting this really big number, which makes sense. Okay, ways. Should have said that there. Ways. Okay. All right, let's see. 11 different types of meat. So the order doesn't really matter. This is really 8, 11, 10, 9, over 3, 2. So 165. Options, choices, whatever. All right, 6P2, you'll show work, and the answer is 30. 5C5 is 1. Okay, first page, done. Let's turn the page. All right. You've got to spell the word math. What's the probability that it's a vowel? To remind you, the vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. And so there's 1, 2, 3, 4 vowels. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay? A red number cubed and a green number cubed. What is the probability that the sum is 8? So if this guy is a 1, well, that doesn't work. So I think I'm going to set it up like this. So red cube, green cube. 1 doesn't work. 2 does. Oh yeah, 2 works. 2, 6. 3, 5. 4, 4. But that also means this could be a 5, and that could be a 3. This could be a 6, and that could be a 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of a total of 6 options for each, and 6 times 6 is 36. Okay. What is the probability of random digits 0 through 99? So that means there's 100 total that doesn't end in 9. So honestly, what I would do is I would just list all the things that do end in 9 and subtract it from 100. But they said a 2-digit number. Oh, but they're considering 0, 0. That means they would say 0, 9, 1, 9, 2, 9, 3, 9, 4, 9, 5, 9, 6, 9, 7, 9, 8, 9, and 9, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 that do end in 9, which 90 do not, which is 9 tenths. Okay. They want to know how many are not going to be in the shade. Well, 30% are in the shade, 70% are not. Okay. All right, this is the geometric one, where the total represents the square, and then the part represents the triangle minus the rectangle. Okay? So I'm going to figure out the area of all of them. The area of the triangle is 1/2 base times height, which is 1/2, 3, 3, 3. 9 times my height is also 9. That's kind of annoying. It's a fraction, but it'll be okay. And then the area of the rectangle is 3 times 4, which is 12. This is 81 over 2, which is 40.5. And then the area of the square is 9 times 9, which is 81. Okay, so if I'm doing this, the total is the square, 81. The part is the triangle minus the square. I'm sorry, minus the rectangle. So that's 17.5. And normally, you know, I hate decimals, but because I don't have a calculator, that's going to do it. All right, probability of yellow, 53 over 100. Cool. If I don't choose red, I'm choosing green or yellow. And I can't simplify. Red or green. And I can't simplify.